don't think y'all can see that. We have tornadic and micro burst activity going on, creating dust storms. This is, barely see it up there. This is dust storm coming up on Highway 60 in between just west of Lake Wells and the Turnpike. Boy, it's a strong windstorm coming through. Keep it right here so you guys can see it with me. I got my bright lights on. It's 7 o'clock, 1900 hours. The wind's picking up, shaking my rig around. This is a dust storm in Florida, which is pretty much unheard of. Comes the rain. Micro dust storm. All right, dust storm's rained out. See, you can see some of it exiting that way. Something you don't see every day. You can see the wind playing with the dust. It's low ceiling. Low ceiling. Joseph Stubblefield reporting live for Firewire Underground Christian News. Sign of the times. Y'all be blessed. What a shot.